You want to learn how to overhand braid?
You damn Skippy.
All right, I'm about to show you how.
Let's
Let's go.
go, sis.
Okay, take the two pieces that's on the end. You're going to two-strand twist the one on the end over into the middle. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. From the end, two-strand twist to the middle. From the end, two-strand twist into the middle, over top of each other.
I ain't no stylist, so you need to give me a tip or something.
All right, I'm going to give you a tip. Make sure you hold all three strands of hair at the same time. So when you go in two-strand twist, the two pieces on the end, it can be neat and uniform, and you can kind of see what you're doing as you go down the hair.
Oh, okay. Now what?
Now you're done. Make sure you keep practicing over time. You'll get it. Just be patient. Follow me for more.
And I will. Thank you, girl.
You want to learn how to underhand braid?
You damn Skippy.
All right, I'm about to show you how.
Let's go,
Go.
sis.
Okay, so gather all the hair in your fingers, and you're going to two-strand twist one end from the inside out. All right, see the other end? Twist inside, out, twist the inside, out.
Uh-huh.
All it is you two-strand twisting the middle piece under the end piece.
I ain't no stylist, so you need to give me a tip or something.
All right, I'm going to give you a tip. As you braiding it down, make sure you hold all the hair in your hand as you braiding it down so it can be nice and snug. And if you want it tighter, to pull the hair a little close towards each other so it can look neat.
Okay, now what?
Now you're done. With time and patience, you will get it. So just keep practicing. Follow me for more.
And I will. Thank you, girl.
You want to learn how to cornrow for beginners?
You damn Skippy.
All right, I'm about to show you how.
Let's go, sis.
Okay, so don't part it straight up and down. You're going to part it sideways. You're going to section it off into 3 sections. 1, 2, 3.
Uh-huh.
See that?
Okay, I see that. Now what?
Okay, you're going to put the 2 pieces at the top in between your index and your middle finger, and the piece at the bottom in between your thumb, index, and middle finger. And you're going to grab the top piece and twist the middle piece around the top piece like a 2-strand twist. All right.
I ain't no stylist, so you need to give me a tip or something.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a tip. As you're working from side to side, you're going to twist the middle piece around the top of the end of the other piece, and you're going to alternate.
Man, this confusing.
Save this video so you can practice. Follow me for more.